Good morning, sir. This is my what I understand the CWTS orientation. This is my answer. This W, WTS or orientation from Southern Leyte State University cover key aspect of the program. The goal is transform youth into responsible, values divided citizen in vision. Focuses on civic consciousness and defense preparedness, while the mission emphasized holistic development and volunteerism, general and specific objective in community services, and addressing welfare needs that 2025-2026. Second, addressing welfare needs that semester activities span planning or orientation, immersion, and evaluation, grading rules, grading rules, attendance policies, and regulation on conduct, safety, and project implementation are also outlined.